is a day 3 when IT department is again conducting a survey at Sonu Sood's residence. Right now I am standing outside his residence. This is Casablanca building in Mumbai's, you can say, Andheri West, Lokhandwala area. And on the 4th floor of this particular building, Sonu Sood's residence is there. But it is very shocking and surprising that from past 3 days, IT department is basically not telling that what kind of survey they are conducting, because past 2 days the surveys got conducted at multiple locations, including this, even in one location in Lucknow, and there are other 4 locations in Mumbai, which includes Sonu Sood's hotel, also the restaurant which he owns. Also, we saw that the IT officials are basically staying here for a long time. On the first day, it was almost for 20 hours they stayed. Yesterday, more than 12 hours they were here. Late in the night, they left. But what exactly is happening upstairs, no one knows. Whether they have found any kind of discrepancy in Sonu Sood's account, no one knows. Whether they have found any kind of land deal, and in that they have found any kind of discrepancy. So the IT department is basically not telling that what exactly is the reason for this survey and what exactly they have found, and that's why they are conducting this survey at multiple locations. We did try to contact Sonu Sood, as I informed you yesterday also, but there was no response. But there's no response from the IT department also about this. But what is happening now is the political slugfest, because the Shiv Sena party, which earlier criticized Sonu Sood during the lockdown, because if you remember that Sonu Sood had helped a lot of migrants to go back to their homes. He arranged the buses, he arranged the railway tickets for them. So that time Shiv Sena, who's basically in Maharashtra, MVA government, they are leading Uddhav Thackere's CM. So Shiv Sena had criticized Sonu Sood for this particular initiative. But today, in today's Samna, Shiv Sena has basically praised Sonu Sood, we can say, and they have criticized BJP and the central government for using the central agencies against people who wants to get associated with other political parties and not with the BJP. The background to this particular incident is this, that few days back Sonu Sood had met Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal regarding some government project, and Delhi government wants him to be part of this particular one particular project, and regarding that he met. He also clarified that I don't have a political ambition anymore, or there is no political ambition I have. But Samna says that Sonu Sood is getting targeted because he was seen sitting or doing meeting with political party, with political leaders other than BJP, and that's why the selective targeting, or he is getting targeted. Also, Samna editorial says that this is the same Sonu Sood whom BJP praised a lot. BJP leaders, leaders from other states also praised Sonu Sood a lot. But why and what exactly had happened all of a sudden that now the IT is conducting these kind of surveys? So a lot of questions have been asked by the Samna, though they have asked these questions, but as I said, there is no response from IT department as well as Sonu Sood. We have been given to understand that today there are the similar kind of surveys, IT survey is happening in Nagpur related to Sonu Sood only. But what exactly is the matter, we have no information on that. As I continuously am saying that IT department is not sharing more information on this. This is Mayuresh Ganpate reporting from Mumbai for Mirror Now.